Hey guys, this is a requested video on how to reuse shoe boxes, and I decided to just turn them into shelves. I made a different design for shelves with cardboard a while back, and the link will be in the description box below. There are other ways to reuse shoe boxes, but I decided to just turn them into display shelves. This is a simple and quick design, and I'd like to share with you guys how I made it. To start off the project, I got a large wooden board. I got this from Home Depot, and then I cut it into the measurements that I'll be needing for the project. I'm going to be using shoe boxes, and I tried as much as possible to look out for shoe boxes that have straight corners and edges. Most of them come with this. You can just take it off. Some shoe boxes are stronger than others, like this one right here is really strong, but I didn't have enough of it. I had a lot of the pink shoe boxes, so I decided to just use them. I ended up using 6 of the pink shoe boxes and 1 white. Now for the pink shoe boxes, I am going to cover the pink edges with white masking tape. I got this tape from Home Depot when I was getting the wood, but I'm pretty sure they have it at Walmart. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. All I'm doing is just prepping the box with white tape because I need the inside of all of the boxes to be white, and then the outside will be red. This is the white box that I said that I have, that I'm going to be using with the other 6 boxes, and I taped it also. I got this paint from Home Depot, and it's called a Flirty Red. A funny name for a paint. And I got that particular color because it matches the color of the spray paint that I'm going to be using too. I'm going to be using just 1 coat of paint on all of the boards. You can use a regular brush for this, but then I want you guys to know that it's easier to use a foam brush for the edges before finishing it off with a regular paintbrush. Like I said before, the paint is so good that I use just 1 coat of paint for all of the boards, and then I let it out to dry. For the shoe boxes, I left the longer sides that are not going to show, and I spray painted just the sides that are going to show, which are the shorter sides. I used the measurements of the shoe box to draw outlines on a foam board that I'm later going to cut out, and these cutouts are going to be used inside all of the shoe boxes. This is how all of the cutouts are going to be placed inside the shoe boxes. I'm going to start putting all the parts of the shelf together, starting with the longer boards. Now I placed the long board here, just one of it, and then I took 1 shoe box, and I'm going to align the shoe box with the tip of the wood. And then I'm going to be using screw nails. Now I'm using nails here just to see how it's going to hold the boxes together with the wood. I ended up using 4 screw nails, attaching the box to the wood. Now I'm going to be adding 2 more boxes on this wood. I decided to do something different by using a hot glue gun to attach the boxes to the wood. the way the box is holding really firm together with the wood using a hot glue. Now I put the second wood at the bottom. This is the base, and I used the hot glue gun also. Because I like the way the hot glue works better, I went back to remove the nails that I used for the first box, and then I just glued it on with hot glue. I'm going to cover the holes with white tape. I glued another box in the middle, and this is what it looks like. I placed heavy objects inside the first box just to keep it in place before I glue on the second wood that I'll be needing for this part of the design. As you can see, the red here blends with the red that I spray painted on the box. Now the next piece of wood is going to be attached to the boxes using a hot glue gun, but you can also use a strong adhesive, but a hot glue gun worked for me, so I'm just going to keep it at that. This is what it looks like. And then I added 2 other boxes by the side using a hot glue gun too. And then I took the next piece of wood, and it goes on and on and on until I got to the last 2 boxes. When I was done, I covered the side with the last piece of wood. Like I said earlier, you can use a stronger adhesive, but I'm going to go with a hot glue gun because it works for me. This is what it looks like. And now that I'm done, I'm gonna glue on the cutouts that I made. That's gonna be for the base in each and every one of the boxes. I really love how this design turned out, and I like to say that it's safer to have this displayed with a wall behind, but if you want it standing as a room divider, then something heavy should be used as a display at the base. For more shelving designs, I'd like you guys to check out this video that I made some time ago, and the link will be in the description box below. This is such an interesting display shelf, and to make it more interesting, you can add lightings. These lightings come with a remote, and the link will be in the description box below. I glued them on top of each and every one of the boxes, and I really love the effect that it gives at night. When I was asked to use shoe boxes to make an item, I was so happy to take on the project because now I have cute display shelves for displaying little knickknacks all to myself. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this awesome idea on how to turn your shoe boxes into display shelves. And remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.